Hey guys, what's going on? Hi, it's Small Engine Repair here. Today we're doing a video on preparation for my upcoming lean-to build that I'm hopefully going to do really soon. I've got these boards here I'm taking apart. I'm prying the nails out of them and stuff because they came out of pallets that we got for free from my dad's work, and they have pallets there for moving heavy machinery around and stuff. So they were free to me, so I can pull them apart and not have to have much about paying for everything. But yeah, so taking the nails out, getting them ready to obviously go in the lean-to, and as I'm pulling them out, sometimes here you can see I can pull it out and the nail shoots out towards my face a couple of times. But yep, going through and making sure and putting the nails in like a magnetic tray and stuff, and just basically just pulling the nails out so they're not in the way when we're building it. Okay, now we've moved on to these 4x4 posts. They were also on the pallets, but we're using them for the big posts that go on the end of the lean-to hold the roof up, and we'll have to cut them down and everything, but it's what they had, so more than enough for what I need. And the 2x4s I was just taking the nails out of before. They're going to be the rafters, or most of them. I have to get another one, but some rafters for to hold down the roof, or to go down the roof and hold it up. And finally, we're gonna be doing these 2x4s, 8 2x4s that are 5 foot long, and they're gonna be, I believe they're gonna be used for the siding supports. I've designed and everything, but I'm not sure what I'm using for what yet. So, I got it all written down, and I'm waiting to figure out the prices and stuff and what would be best to use. But I'm taking the nails out of these ones, like I said, hold up the wood siding that you use on sheds and stuff. Huge bolt cutters for some of the nails are going through it, bent on the other side, and it's hard to hammer them back through, so I can cut the bent part off, because once you bend them back, they're still not strong enough to hold most of the time. Then I'll have enough strength on the nail to push it back through the other side and pry it. Now I'm moving all the boards over to behind my shed, which I end up having to move them again later, but I'm moving them just behind my shed so that they're not in the way of everything else. I'm getting ready to rake up the yard and pull all the wood to a central point in the middle so I can pick it all up. So, I'm just raking everything and moving the tools out of the way. I've got this magnet here. I'm running down the yard, picking up any nails that I didn't get before, and because I was putting the nails in a magnetic tray so I could go dump them somewhere. But I was just picking up any ones that I left behind. Finally, we're behind the shed where you can actually see where the lean-to is going to be. So right now, I'm raking up all the leaves and raking them out of the way so they're not in where we're putting this stuff and they're not in the way of construction. Also, under the tarp is just some push moss. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. It helps me out a ton and helps me bring you videos. Speaking of new videos, hopefully another one will be coming out soon, and the part 2 to this will be coming out relatively soon. Thanks, bye.